In this video, I will demonstrate the process of listing your GoDaddy domain for sale on the auction. To begin, visit GoDaddy.com and log into your account by clicking on the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Once logged in, navigate to your username and select My Products to access your GoDaddy account. Within your account, scroll down until you find the domain you wish to sell. If you have multiple domains, choose the one you want to sell and click on Manage All. From this point, you will be directed to your domain portfolio. Click on your chosen domain to open a new window. In this window, you will find the option to sell your domain. Proceed to list your domain for sale by clicking on this option. Although the estimated value provided may not be accurate, you can still proceed with the listing. Determine the price you want to set for your domain, keeping in mind that setting a higher buy now price may result in a quicker sale. You can also choose to have a dedicated for sale page on your domain for potential buyers to see when they visit. After setting the desired price and confirming your decision, the listing will be published. The system will then redirect you to another website, namely afternice.com, owned by GoDaddy. On this page, you will see that your domain is now listed for sale. The listing includes details such as the buy now price and minimum offer price, allowing potential buyers to place bids on your domain. To verify that your domain is indeed for sale, you can copy the domain and paste it into the search bar on the GoDaddy website. If everything has been done correctly, you will see that your domain is now classified as a premium domain and listed for sale at the chosen price of £600.